Hello guys, this is Mohammed Alha and I have crafted a pipeline to create one of the best things. Like you can create your content just by passing out a hook, and that hook is a text only, so it will create you with the, you can say, the image and the content itself. So what happens, we are using like OpenAI API over here, and we are passing it with some HTTPS request over here, and we are using Flux.ai over here for crafting the images, and we're using a router over here to pass on for the, like you can say, different platforms. Like we are using Instagram for business, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Facebook pages, and even though Twitter X. So this can be easily achieved. Like we just need to pass on the hook a text. This hook then pass towards the GPT's, you can say, API. See, it has my very much, you can say, the prompt is there. Afterwards there's a JSON, we are parsing out. There are tools, we are like having a delay over here, like so that the built-in function won't get, like you can say, stuck onto it. Afterwards we are using the get request for getting the, you can say, the picture from that. Afterwards we are parsing the JSON, providing the context, and afterwards posting it. So that's all, and if you need something related to it, you can DM me and ask me whatever you want. Have a great day.